All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a system that is honestly completely transforming how businesses grow. We're going to visually demystify how to build your very own fully autonomous AI sales development representative, or SDR for short. We're talking about a highly intelligent, automated pipeline that takes raw, totally cold data on one end and actually secures booked meetings on the other. It's fascinating, it's incredibly effective, and by the end of this, you'll see exactly how the mechanics of this system work together to absolutely maximize your conversions. Okay, let's dive into this, because first, we've kind of got to address the elephant in the room. Why are your cold emails still landing in the mental spam folder? And notice I didn't say the digital spam folder, though, yeah, that's definitely a problem too. I mean the mental one. You know, the one where a prospect reads maybe the first 5 words of your generic copy-pasted blast, instantly realizes it's a template, and just deletes it. Traditional outreach is totally broken because it relies on sheer volume over actual value. It completely ignores context. So let's look at the exact architecture of the solution that fixes this. Here's a quick roadmap of where we're heading today. We'll start with the tech stack overview, move into data ingestion and enrichment, then hyper-personalized content, the outreach cadence, lead warming and conversion, and wrap up with automated booking and metrics. All right, section 1, the tech stack overview. Let's meet the digital employee. Now, what's really interesting about this setup is how these 4 specific tools interact to mimic human intelligence. Down at the bottom, we've got the database. This could literally just be a simple CSV or a data table holding your raw contacts. That's your fuel. Next up is Claude AI, which acts as the intelligence component. Think of this as the brain of the whole operation. It's analyzing web data, extracting pain points, and actually drafting the emails. Then there's GoHighLevel, or GHL, functioning as your CRM. This is the muscle, right? It handles pipeline visibility, lead nurturing, and calendar booking. But the real magic, that's the orchestrator at the top, NNN. NNN is the nervous system. It holds the logic, bridges all the APIs, and makes sure data flows flawlessly from the database to the brain and finally to the muscle.
Moving right along to section 2, data ingestion and enrichment.
Think of this phase kind of like a detective story. Our orchestrator, NN, is the lead investigator here. Step 1, NN is just hanging out, monitoring a folder for a CSV upload. The second it spots a new prospect, it grabs their website URL. Step 2, it quietly deploys an AI web crawler, something like Firecrawl or Scraping Bee, to visit the prospect's site and scrape all that raw text. And here is where the absolute brilliance happens in step 3. The AI doesn't just skim the text, it actually comprehends the core business model. It steps into the role of a consultant, identifying at least 3 critical pain points based on the prospect's industry or current digital setup. Then, it figures out how your specific services are the exact solution to those gaps. We are literally extracting deep business intelligence before a single word of outreach is even drafted. That brings us to section 3, hyper-personalized content. The contrast between the old way and this new way is just night and day. On the left, you've got your standard generic template blast. It's static, it totally ignores the prospect's unique context, and it immediately triggers those mental spam filters we were talking about earlier. But on the right, look at dynamic drafting. And this brilliantly illustrates the whole concept. Our AI agent takes those 3 highly specific pain points it just uncovered and uses clever prompt engineering to apply the PASS framework: Problem-Agitate-Solution. It generates a subject line and body copy that is 100% unique. It calls out a specific problem they have, agitates the real cost of that problem, and positions you as the tailored solution. Because it's referencing exact, specific details from their own website, there is no mental spam filter. It bypasses it completely. Finally, NN syncs this awesome dynamically drafted content straight into a custom field in GoHighLevel, all queued up and ready to send. Let's move to section 4, the outreach cadence, and see how this builds. So here we have the automated mechanics of a cadence built for maximum conversion. The key here is being persistent, but, not annoying. On day 1, GHL fires off that incredibly personalized AI-drafted initial email. Then, the system just patiently waits for 2 to 3 business days. If there's crickets, day 3 triggers follow-up 1, just a polite check-in referencing the value we offered in the first email. Still nothing? Okay, day 5 introduces follow-up 2, and this is cool because the AI dynamically injects a relevant case study or proof of concept to really build some trust. Finally, on day 7, if we still haven't heard back, we hit them with follow-up 3. This is your classic breakup email or a super low-friction call to action. The system strictly limits this to 3 follow-ups to protect your domain reputation, but it perfectly automates that exact persistence you need to grab a busy person's attention. which leads us to Section 5, Lead Warming and Conversion. All right, so what happens when a prospect finally replies? Here is how the system handles complex routing entirely autonomously. Step 1 is reply detection. The instant a prospect emails back, GoHighLevel detects it and immediately pauses the outbound cadence. We definitely don't want to accidentally send a breakup email to someone who just said yes. Step 2, though, this is a real game changer. Sentiment analysis. An AI agent actually reads the prospect's reply and figures out their intent. Is it an angry take me off your list, or is it positive? Are they curious? If it's negative, no problem. The system politely unsubscribes them. But if it's positive, we trigger step 3 and tag in the closer agent. The lead gets automatically bumped to the warm lead stage in the CRM, and this highly specialized AI agent, which has been trained on your specific knowledge base, takes over the chat. It answers their exact questions with perfect context and then confidently pitches a meeting.
And finally, Section 6. Automated booking and metrics.
We all know that friction is the absolute enemy of conversion. If you make it even a little bit hard to book a meeting, they're going to bounce. But look at how this setup handles scheduling edge cases. First, we have automated calendar sync pulling your live availability straight through the GoHighLevel API. Second, and this is huge, intelligent scheduling. The agent doesn't just lazily drop a generic calendar link, it calculates the prospect's actual time zone and offers 3 specific, perfectly aligned time slots right there in the email text. When the prospect replies, "Yeah, let's do Tuesday at 2, the system handles the confirmations and reminders instantly. It books it, fires off the invite, and sets up your reminder sequence. Then, for the grand finale, it executes a CRM update, automatically dragging that opportunity card right over to the meeting booked stage. And all those chat logs, archived and ready for your human sales team to review before they hop on the Zoom call." Now, of course, an automated system is really only as good as the numbers it spits out, right? So to ensure maximum conversion, we track 3 very distinct metrics. First is the open rate. This simply tells us, hey, are our AI-generated subject lines actually working? Second is the positive reply rate. This is the real test of that PAS, Problem-Agitate-Solution framework we talked about earlier. If this number is high, it completely validates that our contextual pain point analysis hit the nail on the head. And lastly, the meeting booked rate. This is the ultimate KPI. It proves the actual return on investment for the whole funnel, validating that the handoff from cold data to the AI drafter, the closer agent, was totally seamless. So I want to leave you with a thought to chew on. If an AI can autonomously research a prospect, deeply understand their specific business pain points, write incredibly compelling copy, handle their objections through sentiment analysis, and perfectly book a meeting in their own time zone, what is your human sales team's new superpower? When your folks no longer have to spend hours grinding through cold data, their energy is completely freed up to do what humans actually do best: build real relationships, strategize, and close the deal. This architecture doesn't just save a few hours, it fundamentally redefines your revenue operations. I really hope this breakdown has inspired you to rethink what's possible in your own pipeline. Keep learning, keep building, and thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.